Hi, we're Dom and Jesso, and this is our dog Choppy. Welcome back to another episode, and in today's video we're actually going to be installing our San Hima Roof Vent.
Yeah, so we'll be cutting our first hole in the van. Pretty excited for it. Tom's a bit nervous, but I'm pretty keen to get some holes in the van and yeah.
This is just going to be a nice, quick, easy video just for you to follow along if you're installing a roof vent in your van as well. Hopefully we don't have any dramas and it's going to be a smooth process.
Yeah, it'll be fine. So let's get stuck into it.
So the first job was to hop on top of the roof and use masking tape to mark the shape of the roof vent. Then drill 4 pilot holes in each of the 4 corners. Using the jigsaw, Jessie carefully cut the shape of the roof vent on the inside of the tape until the metal fell through.
Hello! What are you doing? You just cut a hole in my home.
Once the hole was cut, we used a metal file to smooth out the rough metal surfaces and to remove any abrasions.
Alright, so we've got a fresh new hole in the van. We've just, Jess is on top at the moment vacuuming the roof to make sure he gets off all the metal shavings so it doesn't cause any rust. And then I'm just preparing the rust guard epoxy enamel paint. A couple of layers of this around the edges. That will just make sure it doesn't lead to any rust around the cut surfaces.
Alrighty, so our roof vent fits. We're just test fitting it now and that's all good. So now we just got to put some silicone on the bottom and screw it into the roof and then install this one after we do the inside of the roof. How's the dog hair everywhere? Already. Dog doesn't even live in this van.
Happy with that?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
So we then cut some plywood strips and glued these to the inside of the roof using liquid nails. That way we have something to screw the vent into from the top of the roof.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We're stoked with how the roof vent turned out. Luckily it all went well.
Yeah, piece of piss.
Right.
Can I say that? If anyone's nervous doing it, just have a go. Just make sure you measure everything over and over again to be 100% sure.
Yeah.
But yeah, otherwise, pretty simple. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, or if you have any questions, leave a comment, like and subscribe so we can keep making videos.
You!
Cool.